This is the White Lotus hypoallergenic Dermaroller. The microneedles are made from biocompatible polymer, so there is no risk of metal allergies. White Lotus recommended 6 simple tips while rolling. These tips produce a fast and more comfortable treatment that works with your body's natural flow. Each tip is only small, but combined they produce a very different treatment. Number 1. Use the light grip shown here. This stops you putting excessive pressure on the skin. Number 2. Roll the roller parallel to the skin. This makes treatments more even. Number 3. Roll in one direction rather than back and forth. This makes the actual microneedling contact time on the skin quicker and helps lift and stretch the skin. Number 4. Dragging the roller head rather than pushing better compensates for any unevenness in the skin for a smooth roll. Number 5. Using short strokes means that actual microneedling contact time is quicker and works with the smaller planes of the face. Number 6. Rolling quickly improves comfort throughout the treatment. Combining these tips will reduce discomfort and make the treatments more relaxing.